Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Aigital WN539N5 Wi-Fi extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Aigital WN539N5 Wi-Fi extender is a dual-band, 2.4 GHz 5 GHz, Wi-Fi range extender used to boost your router's signal and remove Wi-Fi dead zones in your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, plug the extender into a power outlet near your main router. Wait 15 to 20 seconds for the device to start. The LED lights will turn on indicating the device is ready. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer. Look for the network name, Wireless AC 2.4G or Wireless AC 5G. Connect to either network. No password is required at this stage. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, etc. Type this IP address in the address bar, 192.168.100.99. Press Enter. Log into the extender. Enter the default login details. Username and password is admin. On the setup page, you will see different operation modes. Choose Repeater mode. His mode allows the extender to connect to your router and extend its Wi-Fi signal. Click Next to continue. The extender will now search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. After a few seconds, a list of available networks will appear. Find and select your main router's Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list. Then click Next. Now you must enter your router's Wi-Fi password. Type the correct Wi-Fi password of your router. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name or create a new extended network name. Example: Original Network Home Wi-Fi or Extended Network, Home Wi-Fi_EXT. After entering the password, click Apply/Connect. The extender will now apply the settings. This process usually takes 30 to 60 seconds. During this time, the extender may restart automatically. The LED lights may blink. Do not unplug the device during this step. Your Aigital WN539N5 Wi-Fi extender is now successfully configured. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.